Hi, good afternoon, all. Just wanted to share my excitement and happiness with you all. Yesterday, I just got this PS4. It's pre-used one, not a brand new. Just got it from OLX from a very good seller, not a dealer or someone. It was an individual seller. You can see how good he has packed before sending it to me. I just made sure that no product has to be damaged. Let me just open the box and show you what and all is available. Hopefully nothing should be damaged as it was carried by a Dunzo guy. Seems in single piece, nothing has been broken down. I'll just open this now. Okay, so the main thing first of all is the console itself. Wow, looks clean. I guess he cleaned it before sending it to me, so looks very clean. No damages and no scratches at all. Let me check at the back. No, all good. Okay, let me check. Yeah, even the seal is intact, nothing has been changed. Okay, I'll just keep this aside and check other products. Okay, HDMI and power cable both has been wrapped in one. What else we got in the box? Okay, this is one controller. Pretty good condition. Doesn't seems like it has been repaired or opened. And this is another. This seems to be original, and this one must be a copy because I can feel the difference in hand. This is original which you get with the console along. See, these are the things I got in the box. Let me quickly set this up and show you how it works. Even I'm not sure if there is any flaw in this, but I simply trusted the guy on his words and took this game without any checks, without any testing or verification. Let me just plug the cables. I'm just plugging the cables now. Okay. First of all, the HDMI went in without any problem. And the power cable itself. Okay, both are intact. Plugged properly without any loose connectivity. Let me connect this to power cord. And this goes to the HDMI. Okay, so the thing is plugged now. I'll just turn on the switches. TV is turned on already. Let me try to turn on the console. Okay, thanks. Thank God it just turned on without any problem. Let me pair the controller now. I guess I did not get the USB cable to pair the controller. I'll have to look for the cable. Right, charging cable here. Meanwhile, let me just turn on the TV. TV is turning on. Meanwhile, I'll just plug the cable here. Okay, all the things in place. I have plugged the controller. I need to turn the TV into HDMI mode. Should be HDMI 1. Okay. Wow, this looks good, bro. Straight away it just turned on. Let me quickly set this up. Sharon. Sharon. 1 second, guys. I need someone to hold the camera until I set this up. Okay. Okay, it is 500 GB version. All in place, no problem at all. I'm just checking the controller function here. Perfect. The touchpad works. Okay, the vibration is fine. Motion sensors are perfect. You can hear the audio as well. All seems to be linked. Let me just insert a CD and show you this place. Just inserted a CD. The game is starting up. I'll show you how the game plays. I'm sure you guys have already played this rival, the first big rival. Please let me know, guys, if you want me to post any gameplay, any game of gameplay.
We are unbound, free, unshackled. We push the limits in the most powerful cars, Cars we don't pay for. We go where we want, when we want, as fast as we want. You may call us thugs, but deep down, you know you need us.
The intro looks very hard actually.
You can't catch devils with angels. I am not you. I am the life you're too scared to live. You are asleep. I am awake. I am the reality show. The catalyst. The 15 minutes you'll never have. You want to know why I do this? I want to know why you don't. We are the enemy of freedom. I will run. We are the shadow you catch. Never stop. We will hunt you. You will never catch me once. You will make me weary.
Very frustrating, very good actually.
And you are our target.
I can't even
You
skip
are my
this.
rival.
Finally the intro is getting over. Finally it's finished. PS4. This is taking too much of time. I can't even skip this.
Welcome to Need for Speed Rivals. Before we let you loose in Redview County, we'll need to take you through the basics. Select cop or racer to begin your training.
Okay, I just selected as a racer, not a cop.
This is your hideout. They can be found all across Redview County,
Okay,
and they're
this
the
is
only
my
place you'll be safe from the cops. Here you'll be able to access everything you need to take the fight to your rivals.
Okay. And you see how the cars are, how the graphics are.
This is your speed list, the core of your rivalry. Here you will be able to choose from a constantly changing set of objectives that suit your driving style. You're only just getting started, so for now choice is limited. Once you complete your training, you'll be able to choose from multiple speed lists and shape your own destiny. Your hideout is your garage and tuning shop all in one. You can choose your car, pursuit tech, personalization options, and performance upgrades. Take a look around, and when you're ready, we'll hit the road. This is your map of Redview County. Here you'll be able to see other drivers, the events that are open, and also choose your start location. For now, we'll start just outside.
Finally, that the game is getting started. I mean, the race is getting started. Let me see how good this is.
You're all set to free drive. On the right of your screen, you'll see the speed list you chose earlier. Complete the objectives in the speed list to complete your training. You can set a route to any destination by pulling up the map or using Easy Drive in the top left of your screen. Let's go. To start a race, simply pull up at the start location and press the button. You can start an event at any time, even when you're being chased by the cops. Just make sure to drive slow enough to not blast fire. You can also start head-to-head races at any time by getting close to another driver and pressing the same button.
Graphic looks good. I remember Most Wanted by seeing this. In my olden days, we used to play Most Wanted in PCs. This reminds me of that. All the button seems to be fine. There is no flaw in the controller or the
increases your multiplier at the top of the screen. It also raises your heat level.
Fine, guys.
The higher your heat level, the
The
harder the cops will try
console
and chase
seems
you
to be
down.
very much fine. No flaw, nothing.
Cops have found you.
I don't
They're
even
trying to
find
get
any
after
kind of hit up
Cops
sound
will
over
chase you
here.
down and try to bust you any way they can. If you get busted, you will lose your
No
speed
flaw.
points
Only thing
and
is
your
the
multiplier.
cable is missing.
To outrun the cops, drive fast.
But that's fine.
And use
My
the
charger
minimap
cable
at the
worked
bottom
out.
left of your screen
And
to
thank you so
avoid
much for the
and escape.
seller. His name is Nathan from part of Bangalore. He just sent me this product on a reasonable price. If you want to know the more details about this console, you just leave your comments in the below. I'll just let you know, complete details from where I have purchased and for the amount I have purchased for. Thank you so much, guys. Well, this is all for now. Let me just play for some more time and let you know how the game plays. Everything is fine. Alright, thank you so much for your time, guys. Please do watch, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you. Bye. Take care.